Oh man, it looks like a Bible. The paper is thin, yellowish color, creamy color. The font size is perfectly readable, as you can see. It's not small, definitely not small. So it's very comfortable to read. I like that the pages have this rounded corner, like in some fake leather diaries. Obviously this cover is also fake leather, I guess. Synthetic material, some synthetic material, very pleasant to feel, and it's not hardcover, but in the same time it's not the soft cover, it's something in between. You can see it's perfectly bendable, but it's more durable than this regular soft cover. My favorite chapter, The Shadow of the Past. Very nice. I like it already. I like it already. I have different editions of Lord of the Rings. And this one is gonna be one of my favorites, I guess. Too bad it doesn't have a ribbon bookmark. As you can see, the binding is okay. It's pretty hard, very durable. So far I can say that it's pretty worth the money. It's very cheap, about maybe $30. So yeah, definitely worth buying. 36 bucks, but I bought it cheaper. I can use it as a bookmark, I guess. There is a slight damage, maybe due to shipping or handling at the store, who knows. I ordered it from the States and I'm currently here in Europe. So although the letters are big and nice, still this edition is very compact. You can take it with you and like on a travel. You can throw it in a bag and it's perfectly okay. It's heavy but not too heavy. I like these rounded corners so much. Looks really nice. Very bendable, very comfortable to handle. Although I said that the paper is thin, still it's not too thin. It's okay. For the price it's perfectly okay. Obviously there are no pictures in it, except Christopher Tolkien's maps. He was the son of Tolkien. So yeah, here it is. The maps of Middle-earth. Very detailed maps, black and white. Looks very nice. I wonder at what year this edition was printed. 2004, I guess. Probably 2004, but I'm not sure. Printed in China. If you want your Lord of the Rings in one volume, all the books in one volume, and you want it cheap, definitely take this edition while it's still available on Amazon or eBay. Definitely take it. It's a very nice edition.